Wheels Monster Trucks celebrating 50 years of Bigfoot. Trophy champions, Bigfoot. Here is the back of the package. I'm going to start off with the trophy first of all. Here it is, the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks trophy. There's a tire on the bottom, as you can tell. In the middle, it says Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Here's the back of it. So that's pretty cool, the trophy. And then on to Bigfoot now. We have the gold wheels, the gold roll cage, and then the black base. And so we're gonna go ahead and start back here on this side of the truck. Back here we have the Hot Wheels Monster Truck logo. And then we have the 4x4 in gold, and the Summit equipment, Summit Racing Equipment. I believe that's the full name. Back there you can see it. And then Bigfoot is gold and outlined in black. And Hot Wheels, the name is gold also. Here we have the number 75 and 68 in gold and outlined in black. Of course, we got the motor. It's gold, supposed to look gold. The windshield also is gold. The front grille and bumper is gold. So then up top here on the hood of Bigfoot, they have the Hot Wheels Monster Truck logo, then the Summit Racing Equipment logo, and then 4x4x4, and then 75, 68. So those are all in gold and outlined in black, it looks like. And then on to the other side. Here's the other side, what it looks like, the detailing. And then on the back, it has Bigfoot and Hot Wheels also. And then up top, here is a little difference here. We have the 50th Bigfoot anniversary logo up top. So that's a big change. I'm not too sure what they call this other detailing, if it's supposed to look like a rustic look. I'm gonna bring in this so you get to show you what I'm talking about. This right here and right here, and then right here, this color, and you can see that it is all over the truck kinda, and I don't know if that's supposed to be looking like a rustic look, but it is on this version also, just a little different color variation for that. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review.